Hi, this is Mike. I've been playing around with my Galaxy Note 9, waiting for the next version of Android Pie to come out, and I got to watching some YouTubes on video and animation and whatnot, and I discovered what I liked. I've been playing around with it, so I thought I'd show you what I've been doing with my Galaxy Note 9. I haven't published in a while. Anyway, so I never have used the Bixby button all the way back to when it first came out. I have Note 8, and I don't know if the Note 5 had one or not, but nobody likes the Bixby button. But I discovered a video that allows me to use one-click stuff on my Note 9 that makes it pretty easy. And speaking of one-click, I'm using my Note 9 pen. And now I'm going to click this and turn you off. Okay, this is my Galaxy Note 9, and I saw this YouTube video the other day. Start it back here. Give you a little intro here. A guy named Tech with Brett. And he's talking about
Note 8, Galaxy S9, S9 Plus,
the Bixby button,
or one of the Galaxy S10s. You will be able to do.
So there's all the ones you can record.
What you do is have the Tasker application. Now this does cost a little bit of money, so if you are looking for some other ways in which
And it's $2.99.
the new additions to the Bixby button, I'll leave some links at the end of this video. So first off, download the Tasker application.
So I did all that. Hold on here, so I'll stop this. And I signed up for the beta, and it allows me to reprogram the Bixby button. And I'm not going to go into a lot of detail on this, but I got the Tasker app, and it basically allows you to record all these macros that do different kinds of automation. So I got one macro here that I can turn on or off that allows me to use the Bixby button for a voice command. So if I turn this one off, turn that one on. Okay, I'm going to get out of Tasker, and now I'm going to click the Bixby button. Let's see, and it's asked me what do I want to do here. I haven't chose always for Google Voice yet. And Google, what day is it?
Sorry, I don't understand.
What day is it? What day is it?
It is Wednesday, the 6th of March, 2019.
Okay, so that's that. Let me go back to the Tasker app here. And the one so that's the voice command. So that's kind of good for everyday use. You just click the Bixby button on the side of your phone, and it pulls up that way. You don't have to hit a button with your finger. It's always in the same place. The other one I use, here's another one called Open Gallery. So I can close this. You gotta close Tasker after you make a change for some reason, and it runs in the background. Okay, so now I'm back to my screen here. I click the Bixby button, and there's my gallery. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to Bixby again, and I got another one here called take a selfie picture. So again, there's a million ways to take a selfie, but I can click this on, and every time I hit the Bixby button, I take a selfie. The one I really like is the voice recorder. And this particular one uses an app that I have on the phone. When I click the Bixby button, which is this little program here on the left, it uses a program called Easy Voice Recorder. So I'll go to my phone here, and you can see I have an app called Easy Voice Recorder. I'm just going to go ahead and so right now it has like 3 recordings. I'm going to go ahead and close that, and go back to my screen here, and did I close Tasker? Yeah, there we go. and I'm going to click that, and as you see, nothing happens, but it should be recording the deal. I'm going to click it again. So I turned the mic on, and now that I've turned it on, it won't let me record it back since I'm recording the screen. Okay, so go back to here. Let me just show you that it actually worked. Oh yeah, so there it actually did turn on the voice recorder. I can't use it now because I'm using the screen recording program, but if the second time I clicked it, it would have stopped it. Okay, so if I go back, check that, and go back to here, and as you see, nothing happens, but it should be recording the deal. I'm going to click it again. So I turned the mic on, and now that I've turned it on, it won't let me record it back since I'm recording the screen. All right, so pretty cool trial there. Last night I had on my Audible book, and I punched the Bixby button. I was playing the first little intro to an Audible book.
Random House Audio presents the hacking of the.
One thing I really like about Easy Voice Recorder is you have the option to save all your audio files directly to Dropbox or your Google Drive. So I configured mine to automatically upload to Dropbox. The other thing is you're not restricted to the phone's internal mic. You can use a Bluetooth mic or some other kind of remote mic connected to your phone. Easy Voice Recorder will pick that up, and you can be standing 20 yards away and click your Bixby button to start it, and click your Bixby button to stop. Blah blah. Anyway, so I think that's a pretty powerful little tool for really cheap. So anyway, you can see this thing should be pretty cool if you're, interviewing somebody or walking around taking inventory and making mental notes. You just one click of the button and your phone becomes a recorder. So I really like that. Let me go back to Tasker. So like I said, I got one that takes a selfie. That's not too exciting. Got one to open the gallery. Oh, here's the one I did just for fun. And I will close this. You won't be able to see this one. One click, and it turns the torch or the flashlight on your phone on, and one click and it turns it off. So rather than mess with the touch UI on your phone, you just click this, and you don't have to worry about where you're at on your phone. So yeah, I could do this, turn on the light, but if I go in here on Tasker, turn off the voice recorder, turn that off, close that. Okay, so in Tasker, I've not only got it to turn on the torch, which I guess you can see here when I hit the button. So I'm going to click the Bixby button. There, the torch came on. You can see the little icon came on.
Mikey, it's so bright.
And then I click it again.
Mikey, it's so bright.
So I did that recording, and the flashlight goes on and off, and the voice recorder works the same exact way. It toggles it on, toggles it off. Anyway, I just playing around with this. I thought this was pretty cool. Let's see here. And that's the end of a long and boring video on my nerd chill today. So in conclusion, I always hated having the extra button for Bixby, but using Tasker and customizing it to do just about whatever I want, I really love having the extra button now, and I hope they don't get rid of it. Hope you got something out of this. Thanks.